Hey, good morning, folks. Not sure how well you're going to be able to hear me, but we are out on another field day. We were headed from Bridgeport to Port Jefferson, New York, to visit the former Lawrence Aviation site. Really big site out there in New York for us. It's going to be a ton of work going on there and a lot of demo, so we figured we'd take you out there to get a look at what it looks like before the demo happens. All right, so Derek, what are we going to be doing today on the site?
We're going to be changing out the carbon on a groundwater pump and treat system. So today we're at the former Lawrence Aviation Industries site. We're doing a carbon replacement on the groundwater pump and treat system. Today we removed some old spent carbon that was on site to be transported to the disposal facility, and while we're here we swapping out the carbon on two 1,000-pound vessels. Here we have extraction wells 1 through 3. These pump impacted groundwater up into this holding tank. From this holding tank flows over to a series of carbon vessels. Water flows through the carbon vessels over to a series of injection wells. This post-treated water is pumped back into the ground at a series of injection wells on the far side of the site. Groundwater was previously treated through this air stripper. Following a groundwater remedial injection, aluminum was precipitating out in the air stripper and the bag filters. As a result, we switched to carbon treatment, which eliminated the aluminum precipitate.
Have you ever heard anything like that before?
I have not. It's completely new to me.
Okay.
Very fascinating, actually.
Yeah. Folks, this is the first day out in the field. Thanks for coming with us today. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time we're on the field. Bye.